super dangerous.
Precisely.
Oh.
So what do we say?
Diba alpha, beta yun? Okay na nga, o kapag tuloy-tuloy.
Uy!
Tama!
Don't worry again until you have her in custody. She's here.
Oo.
Uy!
Ito ko 100. Ang tumbler ko na binili ko 73 yun. Tsaka 4 kape ko talaga yun. 4 kape purpose.
Hindi.
Kasi naman, ang mahal-mahal ng ano, ng mga kape ngayon. 49 pesos.
I found one blood. It must be close.
Damn stubborn bunkhead.
Kasi hindi ko na nagamit ng Starbucks card ni Tita.
What are you doing?
Expert niya yata.
We're gonna lose her.
It's just a crying for his old age. It's a... No, hey. What's worse than that?
Boy. No. Yes.
Isyano na daw si Papa.
Why don't you do this?
No.
Max,
No.
first
No.
clean, then disinfect that
Yes.
bandage.
No. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it stings. It stings. Oh,
Yes, it's working.
more like me than I look good now.
What? A stubborn punk ass?
You heard that.
You talk loud.
I guess I am a stubborn punk. At least I was.
Yun!
Listen, my pops either. I saw I knew best. Pissed him right off. I remember one day got so heated he took me right down to the recruitment office. And right there.
Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna give us
Yes.
some structure.
No.
Some discipline.
No. Yes.
And the thing was, I thought I was smarter than the officers.
Were you?
No. Tago.
Sometimes. But mostly,
Ni anahin ko na yun na
I was just
red.
dumb, naive.